to Meriddle's Double Thumbs Up. Today I'm going on a train trip to London. I am eagerly waiting for the train to come. During the travel, I saw lots of beautiful scenery and some trains crossing us. I reached London Euston Station, then visited very famous London Oxford Street and gave a few poses for photos and did some shopping. Later I went to Microsoft showroom where I went to gaming zone and played a few games in Xbox. As I was hungry, I went to my favourite restaurant, McDonald's, and ordered my usuals. After eating, I walked in Regent Street and saw some glorious buildings. Then it's time for National Gallery. I saw lots and lots of beautiful drawings and paintings. I came out of National Gallery and saw Trafalgar Square and played with lion statues. Then I saw London Bus with a Paddington poster. Finally, I took a train back home. Thank you for watching, and remember, it's always Meriddle's Double Thumbs Up.